Most organizations still manage IT and security reviews manually. Access decisions, remediation tasks, and compliance checks often rely on spreadsheets and ticketing systems, creating operational overhead and increasing security risk as environments grow. These gaps can leave former employees with active accounts, grant users unnecessary access, or expose sensitive files through public or external sharing. Employees may also adopt unapproved applications, creating shadow IT that moves company data outside organizational oversight. Reactive monitoring alone cannot keep up. Policy-driven governance continuously monitors identities, applications, and resources, automatically triggering reviews and remediation when business-defined conditions are met. Policies span 10 governance categories, including offboarding, file governance, MFA enforcement, SSO compliance, and more. Each category includes pre-built policies based on common IT and security best practices. Let's walk through creating an underutilized account management policy from the growing collection of granular presets to understand the power of policy-driven autonomous governance with Josys. Here we can see the preset policy: review underutilized accounts and revoke access. In the right panel, I'll set an inactivity threshold of 35 days. Any account inactive for 35 days or longer will now trigger this policy automatically. We can also define identity conditions to determine whether it applies to human identities, non-human identities, or both. Policies can target all identities, specific identity groups, or custom conditions based on attributes such as department or location. For this example, I'll apply it to all identities. For app conditions, I'll select the application this policy should govern. In this case, we'll choose Box. Next is access validation. This step determines whether the user should confirm they still need access or whether that request should be sent to a reviewer instead. I'll send the validation request directly to the user. Admin consent is where human-in-the-loop approvals can be set before any automated actions are executed. Here I can designate one or more approvers. In this environment, I'll select the available admin and continue. Policies can branch based on validation responses. For example, different actions can be taken depending on whether access is still required. In this case, I'll disable access validation and configure the action to remove the user. I'll also apply the policy to existing inactive accounts. This allows current underutilized Box accounts to be evaluated as soon as the policy is enabled. Before submitting, I can review the full configuration, update any settings, and confirm the policy details. Once submitted, the policy appears in the policies list and becomes active immediately. From here, I can review the configuration or make changes at any time. A corresponding automation is also created automatically. As policies run, approval requests appear on the automation page for review. Each request includes the affected identity, the triggering condition, and the actions that will be performed. After approval, the automation executes the configured actions. Depending on the policy, those actions can be fully automated or assigned for manual completion. The result is continuous governance across every identity, app, and resource, helping organizations detect risks earlier and remediate them consistently at scale. Only with Josys.